In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently organize and manage your objects using collections in your 3D viewport, enabling you to enhance your workflow and boost productivity. Let's dive right in. To start, when you're working in your 3D viewport, you might find that your scene gets a bit cluttered with numerous objects. Organizing these into collections can be a real lifesaver. First, you'll want to select one or more objects within your 3D viewport. It's as simple as clicking on each object you want to group together. Once you've made your selection, press the M key on your keyboard. This will open the Move to Collection menu, where you have the option to either place your objects into an existing collection or create a new one. If you choose to create a new collection, it's helpful to assign a clear and descriptive name that relates to the contents, such as cubes. This will make it easier to identify later on. Now that you've organized your objects into a collection, we're going to add a collection instance to your scene. There are three methods for doing this, each with its own advantages, so let's go through them. The first method uses the Add menu, which is simple and straightforward. Ensure you are in Object mode. Then press Shift+A. This will bring up the Add menu. From here, navigate to Collection Instance, where you will see a list of your collections. Simply select the collection you wish to add, and an instance of it will appear in your scene. For those who prefer a different approach, the second method involves the viewport header. In the upper left corner of your 3D viewport, you'll see an Add icon. Clicking this will guide you to the same collection instance options. Just like before, select your desired collection, and it will be instantiated immediately within your 3D scene. The final method utilizes the Outliner, a very powerful tool within your 3D software. If the outliner is not already visible, you might need to open it, typically found in one of the interface panels. Locate the collection you want to instance, right-click on it, and from the context menu, select Instance to Scene. This method is particularly useful if you have numerous collections and prefer an organized list to navigate through. By following these methods, you can efficiently manage and manipulate your 3D scenes. Whether you prefer the shortcuts, icons, or the outliner window, adding collection instances helps maintain a clean and organized workspace, which is crucial for complex and professional level projects. Practice these steps regularly to seamlessly integrate them into your workflow.